Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, April 27, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets ended mixed but largely positive, with the S&P 500 rising approximately 0.8% and the Nasdaq jumping approximately 1.6% to fresh record highs, while the Dow Jones slipped approximately 0.2%. The rally was driven by strong tech earnings along with optimism around potential U.S.-Iran talks, even as elevated oil prices and geopolitical risks capped broader gains. Asian markets are trading mixed to slightly positive, with Japan's Nikkei showing mild gains while other regional indices remain range-bound to positive, as investors react to improving global cues. Sentiment is cautiously optimistic, supported by hopes of renewed U.S.-Iran talks and a slight cooling in crude oil prices, although ongoing geopolitical uncertainty continues to keep markets volatile and limit strong upside. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,135, thereby indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices have surged sharply as U.S.-Iran talks stall and tensions around the Strait of Hormuz intensify, raising serious concerns over global supply disruptions. Gold prices are under pressure, slipping as a stronger U.S. dollar and rising oil-driven inflation fears reduce demand, with markets also factoring in expectations of higher interest rates. Reliance Industries reported a mixed Q4, with profit declining nearly 9% year-on-year, despite strong revenue growth of around 13%. Margins came under pressure with EBITDA slipping slightly, though the company announced a dividend of 6 rupees per share for FY26. Axis Bank reported a largely flat quarter, with profit marginally down, while net interest income saw steady growth. However, provisions surged sharply, even as asset quality improved, and the bank approved fundraising plans worth up to 55,000 crore rupees. Adani Green is set to invest around 15,000 crore rupees this year to significantly expand its battery energy storage capacity. This move aligns with its strategy to deliver more reliable and scalable clean energy solutions amid India's energy transition. Supported by mostly positive cues from a mix to higher open seen in the Asian markets today, Nifty is also expected to open higher with a positive bias. Levels may be readjusted upwards given the opening indicated by GIFT Nifty, with supports now being at 24,020, followed by 23,820, while resistances will be at 24,260 followed by 24,450. A positive bias can be expected in trading unless spike in crude oil prices triggers a correction. Surging crude oil prices due to U.S.-Iran tensions, sharp FII outflows, rupee weakness, and rising bond yields are pressuring markets, while concerns over inflation and earnings downgrades continue to weigh on sentiment. Positive global cues, ongoing Q4 earnings momentum, resilient DII inflows, and any progress in geopolitical negotiations or cooling oil prices could support market stability and a potential rebound. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 8,828 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 4,701 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 27, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.